Hi there. Today I'd like to show you how to convert an image to a background in Google Slides so that students won't edit your lesson when you are, or the assignment when you assign it to them in Google Slides. So I'm going to use the foreshadow and flashback assignment. It's one of the online mini lessons, foreshadow and flashback. And there's a video for students to watch, but then if you scroll down a couple pages, there's some charts that could be filled out here. So here's some items, and then here's one that could also be filled out. So the first step is to take a screenshot of the item that you want for them to fill out for the assignment. I'm using a Windows computer, so I will use Windows Shift S to take a screenshot. Now, if you're on a Chromebook or if you're on a Mac, then it would be a different shortcut, so you'll have to check that out. So I'll just click here and hit the Save button to save my image. And then I think I'll probably grab the next slide, the next page as well. I'll take a screenshot of this one. And then save that one too. All right. So now I have two files saved on my computer that are from this assignment. So I've created a Google slide deck, and I would like, on this slide, I would like to add that item, that screenshot as a background. So you just click on the background button, and then click Choose Image. And for upload, you can hit Browse, or if you're on a Chromebook, you could get it from your Google Drive. Okay, so I went ahead and selected the file, and now I'll hit Done. And then what I can do, just to get rid of these boxes here in front, I can go to Layout and change it to blank. So now all I see is my screenshot, but notice I can't move it. It is part of the background now, so it's not movable. Now, if I want students to type in these three boxes, I can just go up here to the text box tool and draw a box right in here. And then the font is a little big, so they're not going to have a lot of room to write. So I would make that font a little smaller. And then I like to actually just make a little arrow so that the students know where to start typing. That'll help kind of give them a visual cue for that. And then you can just copy this box and then paste it right down here. And then I'll do the same. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. That'll be slightly different if you're on a Mac. All right, so now I have three boxes here with the cue, the visual cue of the arrow, so the students know where to start typing. And then I can do that again. So on this one, I will change the layout to blank. I'll go to background. I'll choose the image. I'll either go to Upload or Google Drive. Select my file and then hit Done. So now, and let me just go ahead and delete this one because this is just an example. Let's see, where is delete? Okay, so here's the first slide and then here's the second slide. So let me go grab one of these squares from over here and copy it. And then I can paste it on this screen right here. So you get the idea now. You can make boxes, and that way the students can only type in those boxes and not mess up or edit any of the things, any of the background. So if you didn't make this background, they might accidentally delete this image, which has essentially the assignment on it. So I like to use this feature of making it the background so you know that it's going to stick there. Now, if they accidentally delete this text box, it's not quite so big of a deal because you can teach them how to go to the text and create another text box. Whereas if they deleted the whole image, it might be a little bit more difficult to undo. I hope this helps you. Once you've got all of the parts set up, you can then assign this in Google Classroom or in Canvas or whatever your LMS is of choice. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.